Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data transformations with Apache NiFi provenance tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify data transformations with Apache NiFi provenance tracking, start by launching your Apache NiFi instance. Navigate to the NiFi user interface in your web browser. Locate the data flow that you wish to track. Select the flow component associated with your data transformation. Right-click on the chosen component and select Provenance from the context menu. Click on the View Provenance option to open the Provenance Events screen. In the Provenance Events screen, you will see a list of all events related to the selected component. Look for the specific event types that indicate data transformations, such as create, send, receive, and update. You can filter the events by setting a specific time range for a more focused search. Examine the attributes of each event, including the original and current attributes sections. Select an event to view more detailed information about its execution. Check the details for input and output data to determine the success of the transformation. If applicable, look at the provenance graph to visualize the flow of data through your NiFi processors. This graph can help you identify where transformations took place and how data was altered. Use the search functionality to find specific attributes or identifiers related to your data. Take note of any anomalies or unexpected transformations during your investigation. Evaluate how these changes may impact downstream processes. Document your findings for future reference and analysis. If discrepancies are found, consider reviewing the processor configurations. Make necessary adjustments based on your verification. Continue monitoring the provenance events as your data flow evolves. With these steps, you can effectively verify data transformations using Apache NiFi provenance tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.